boys and girls. This week, we're going to start off with a little bit of review of our teens and 10 frames. That's right. We have some things to fill out. We have to figure out what the teen number is on these two pictures. Now remember, come on everybody, let's do it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. This picture has a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. You're going to write the number right over there. Same thing for the next one. Now down here, it already has the teen number, but we have to fill in the 10 frame. 14 is a group of 10 and 16 is a group of 10 and you're going to fill that in. After we're done, we're going to start something new, comparing weights. That's right, we're going to see if objects that we have lying around the house are heavier or lighter than other things. Now, has anyone ever seen this before? This is what's called a balance, and a balance can help weigh things so we can find out what object is heavier. Now, if I put two objects, one on this side, one on this side, and one of them is heavier, how do you think this balance is going to move? If I put the heavy object on this side, the balance is going to go down. And this side will go up. That means this side is the lighter object, and this side is the heavier one. We're going to test out some objects around the house to find out which one is heavier. So remember, the heavier object is going to go in the one that goes down. All right, you ready to make some predictions? I have an apple and a cookie. Which one do you think is going to be heavier? Raise your hand if you say the cookie. Raise your hand if you say the apple. Let's test it out. Here we go. Apple and cookie. The apple is the heavier object. Do you see how it goes down and the cookie goes up? The apple is heavier. Let's try some other things. How about a glue stick and some tape? This is tough. Glue stick or tape? Which one do you think is heavier? Raise your hand if you think glue stick. Raise your hand if you think the tape. Let's try it. Here we go. It's the glue stick. The glue stick is the heavier one. All right. Let's try another. I have some gum. And I also have a battery. Which one is heavier? Raise your hand if you think the gum is going to be heavier. Okay, raise your hand if you think the battery is going to be heavy. Let's find out. Gum, battery. Whoa, it's the battery. The battery is the heavier one. We have one more to go. I have a crayon and a rock. Which one is heavier? Raise your hand if you think the crayon is going to be heavy. Raise your hand if you think the rock will be the heavier one. Let's test it. Rock, crayon. The rock! How did you guys do on your guessing? On your paper, you have comparing weight. Now we did a bunch on our balance here, and I know you don't have a balance at home, but you can actually be the balance yourself. That's right, you can hold two objects in your hands, and you can figure out which one is heavier. Okay, when you find out which one is heavier, you're going to draw the picture of the heavier item in the one that goes down. That means the lighter object is going to go up on the top. So you'll draw your two objects and you'll circle the heavier object. We're going to do a lot more experimenting in our Zoom class. I can't wait to find out other objects that are heavy.